Anyways, today we're doing a lot of, I've been thinking to synthesize my runes into level 13s if possible from my move 2. I was planning to do that, but I totally forgot about it, and I guess I'm doing it today. Okay, so my move 2 is gotta go. Oh, maybe even move 3. What the fuck? I have 7s? Move 4 as well? Jesus Christ. Okay, so more. I almost got to a point where I was gonna finish off my level 11s with my move 2, but now that they fucking released this useless ass function, they gotta go. Oh boy. Okay, let me just. I'll do it like this. I'll just remove everything. I'm going full stack. I don't give a shit. Alright. What? Did I really... Wait, how? What? I thought I was gonna give it like half. I guess I'll do 12. Wait, how? What? Okay, I'll do this and then a 7. I don't know if 7. Can I go? I'll go lows. Don't know if this is gonna be enough. I hope so. I think it is, yeah. There we go, 13. This is so weird because like they're not double. Uh, like you, this is weird. Okay, so I cannot split this. You need less to upgrade. Cause look at, I put a 11, it gives 75%. Put a 10. Is this the right one? No, it isn't. I gotta split the. Okay, I gotta put it 7s in. So I'll go 11 and I'll go all 7s. This is weird. And then I'll go these lows. Five eight 70. 5880. I gotta remember that. I gotta fucking write that down somewhere. 5880 unit for a level 13. Okay, I got it out. I can go even more, dude. Like, so I guess I'm safe to split 12s. I gotta do that. And then I gotta do this. 10 is too much. I gotta put in 7s again. Right. So 5880. 58, I need 80 more. 30, 60, 4 more. There we go. Can I even do, yeah, I think I can, well, I don't know, I get all, no, I don't think I can do more. Let's see. Oh, I can. 5, 9, 20, so I'll be over a little bit. I gotta split the level 10 again. Oh, it's because of that one. Wait, why was that one? I don't remember that one being... What? Is that a bug? There's no way. Okay, if I split this one... And I put it in two... it doesn't matter, dude. It doesn't matter. Put in the 12 back. This one. Okay. This one. This one. No, I gotta put in a 9 somewhere. 5, 880. So I gotta split another 8 one. I gotta split a 7. Or can I even get, like, let me go this. Okay, that's all. 10, 9, 8, 5. No, that 5 doesn't give shit, dude. Wait, how? Wait, where did they go? Oh, they're up there. I don't think I'll have. Oh, I will. I'll almost have just right. Okay, 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 okay. This is so confusing, dude, because they're not like even. That's why they made a bug. Because you don't need. It's easier to get a 13 now. Like 5, 7, 80, 40, 120, 160. Fuck, I gotta split it again. I think I gotta split this one too. 160, 80. Oh, 120. Sorry, that should be enough. Yeah, so that's it for the. I'm missing one more, which is fine. But what am I gonna do on this one? I'm gonna have no runes, which is fine. Honestly, who cares? I don't need initiative move 4 in 10. Move 4 in 3. Yeah, in 10 as well. I guess for the sake of like just having them there, I'll just put in like I'll split this 6 one, just to have something, you know. I'll split 5s as well. But next key rebate, I guess I'm gonna fill out those to like level 5s to get all 5s in every. Well, I don't really need to, you know. Move 3 and 4, like they just don't matter. I just put these ones. I might as well just go for the last 13, you know. Who gives a shit? And then I might focus the move to maybe to just get level 7s, and then I'll go all 14s here. I think I'll probably do that. But I don't know. Maybe I'll just go for 14 straight away. But that's probably gonna take like at least like I mean probably someone already calculated everything. Um. So it probably needs like 10k keys or even more. Probably even more. So I got over 30k by doing that. I was at almost 31. I was at 28.2. So I got 2.6k in it from doing nothing. I literally did nothing. I just rearranged them, and I lost 2k here. No, I lost 4k here. It's a big loss of move 2, but who gives a shit, you know? I don't give a shit. I just want my move 1 to be sacked. Now, when it comes to critical like that injury, I'll probably have to do the same. Probably have to do the same thing. Okay, dude. How do you turn off your PMs? If I cancel blink, I'll just won't see anyone. There's gotta be a way. Ah, yes, I'll just fucking split it. Who cares? Wait, what? Okay, I gotta go in these ones. Yeah, I mean, if I do the same, I'll end up with level 4s everywhere. I could just split them in 5s and then might get some 5s as well. Maybe I should leave it on 3. I have to, so I can have some across the others. How much does that give me on move 1? I can't even check it here. So this is critical. Critical 28. 28k is fine. I think I'll leave it on 3 so I can have at least something on my other positions. Okay, I got injuries and I'll just put these back. So I should have 28k on those. Yeah, I do have. That's fine.